Welcome to the installation guide for Fishbone Off-Road's passenger seat flashlight mount for Toyota's 2005 and newer Tacoma. Step 1. Open your vehicle's passenger door and begin removing the two forward seat bracket bolts with a 14mm socket. Step 2. Align the flashlight mount's bracket holes with the seat holes and secure it by reinstalling the two seat bolts with a 14mm socket. At a torque spec of 27 foot-pounds. Install your D-cell flashlight, and you're done.